Welcome back to this lecture. We have seen previous part of this essay. Again I will going to talk on the essay called The Scepter and the Torch. It is written by Helen Gardner. An introductory part we have discussed her work as well as the importance of essay, its title. So let's move the remaining part we will discuss in this lecture. First point is criticism has become a profession. Nowadays, everywhere we find professionalism. It is also become a part of criticism. Helen Gardner asserts that criticism now has become professionalized. Due to everywhere we have occupied the profession. That's why it's related to criticism. Now we move to another point. The contribution to critical journals include consideration of Mr. X, modification of Mr. Y's criticism of Mr. Z's article on works like Shakespeare's plays and Marvel's poems. Here, Helen Gardner has asserts the importance of critic as well as their professionalization in criticism. So how each other become a part and parcel of themselves. Now we move to another most important point. The critics who consider criticism as a profession have different views regarding the equipments and functions of a critic. That is why criticism has become a profession. However, Gardner uses the word profession in its older sense. Criticism can be a profession like law and medicine. It is in fact an art. Already we know literature is an integral part of an art. We cannot be separated from art. So this is not a profession called law and medicine. Just it is a point of view of critics has been changed and they are become a professional. Now I will move another most important point of the same essay, task of a critic. What are the work or what are the job of the critic? Generally, the critic will provided a basic or a fundamental knowledge of work. It will helpful to the reader. Reader will be attracted and take interest in literary work. Let's see. The primary critical acts is a judgment. It means that the role of critic is to make a judgment of a literary work as well as its evaluation. Here, judgment means the decision that a certain piece of writing has significance or value. It is not only commentary on particular work, but it should be findings, most important points. While if the critic will make an analysis of particular work, it will be consider both side, good as well as bad side. It will not consider only single side. Through the senses and imagination of the critic to his or her capacity to recognize order and harmony. It should be utilize their senses as well as imaginative power. Then it will be found something new or it will be on the basis of logic. The critical activity is response to work of art which have value. Another point, it is critic's function to assist or help his readers to find the value in the literary work. According to Gardner, one poem is more valuable than other is not true purpose of criticism. So this is another part of this essay. There are number of parts. It is a big essay, therefore I have made its segments. So let's see another essence of this essay in another lecture. Thank you.